Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar, the Rolling Stones. Ever heard about them? Yes, I believe so. And they have a planned release for a new album. It's called Foreign Tongues. Okay, so that famous tongue has to be there. And this is one sneak peek into that album that is released, I think it's 10th of July this year. So anyway, we're gonna look into a track. It's called Rough and Twisted. All right, Rough and Twisted. Let's go into that one. No need for any capo. Let's go through the chords, and I believe we have 5 of them. So let's start with A first. A goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Speaking of E, that's the next chord. Open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Then we have the B. And I use a 2-bar way of handling that B. The first bar is on the 2nd fret. I push down 5 strings if you count from bottom up like this. And then I place a second bar, kind of with my finger, kind of a bar on the 4th fret in front of that first one, and I push down the D, G, and B string, maybe all the way down. If I go all the way down, then I stay away from that last E string when it comes to my strumming hand. So you want to play in the middle of the strings, okay? So that is the B. Otherwise, you go with the 4th D, 4th G, and 4th B. That's the B. Then we have the B minor, okay? Still the same bar on the 2nd fret, but then you need to recuperate your finger to this. So you add on the 4th fret D, 4th G, and 3rd B. That's the only difference on the B string. And then we have the final chord, which is the G. And that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And before we move on with this actual tutorial, I want to highlight my secondary YouTube channel. It's called Growing Guitar 6 Strings Ago. I'm going to put a link up here to my left side. And yeah, that is a channel that focuses more on the playthrough. So you're going to look into this screen. You're going to see the chords while I'm playing. I'm going to play a full song for you, not speak at all. I just let you know what you're going to focus on and play, and you're gonna learn it from A to Z. So that's a great way of teaching you guys. So go and support me there at Growing Guitar 6 Strings Ago. And thank you so much, guys. So let's move on with this tutorial. So we have all these chords now. How do we handle them? Very simple. If you grab the first chord A, down up is the strumming pattern here. So like that, down up, okay? So it starts with the first verse. You're going to play A4 and E4. You're going to alternate that 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and E. 2, 3, 4. Okay, I did it twice. You're gonna do 4 times of that, and that is the first verse. And you're gonna hit the chorus at 1 minute and 6 seconds in. Flash me all your jewelry. That's where in the lyrics. And what you're gonna play now is B4, then G4, then B minor 4, G2, and A2. So let's do that. So B, that is the chorus. Okay, then we have an instrumental part that goes right after this chorus. You're gonna play E3, then G, the down up, and then A, just down up. So you have a split there between G and A. So E3, 3 full rounds, then G, down up, and A, down up, like this. That is 1 round. You're gonna play it twice, so. Alright, so that is the first round. Now into the second round, you have the second verse played exactly in the same way as the first one. Then comes the chorus, the second chorus, a little different than the first one. So you're gonna start with B, 4, then G4, then B minor, 4, and G4. Okay, so that is different. But then second round here in this chorus is played exactly the same way as the first one. Okay, so this is twice as long, has 2 rounds. So the first round is B4, G4, B minor 4, G4, and the second round is, as in the first chords, B4, G4, B minor 4, G2, A2. Then you're gonna follow up that with this final part of the song. It's the second instrumental part / outro. And what you're going to play here is E3, G, down up, and A down up. Exact same way as the first one, but instead of playing 2 rounds only, I guess you would play probably like 30 rounds or so. It just continues and continues till the very end. So E, G, and A, that is how you finish up the song from the Rolling Stones called Rough and Twisted. Okay, it's a cool song. It's a cool album coming out probably. So we're gonna look into this song, maybe another one, and they are probably gonna pre-release songs before the big release, 10th of July. So we're looking forward for that. Thank you for watching this time, guys, and don't forget my new channel I mentioned before. It's called Gordon Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Go and check out that one and support me. I'm very happy for that. So see you soon. Play tuned.